Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Jen and today I have another nail product haul for you. This is another Vettsy box, a mystery box. I just wanted to jump right in. I got no other house cleaning things, so let's go ahead and see what we got. First things first, very pink. Pink is one of my favorite colors, so I'm very happy with it. And I do see we have a 100-180 grit nail file with a bunch of confetti on it. It's very cute, very practical. I think I'll get a lot of use out of this. I mean, who wouldn't? It's a nail file. Next thing we have here is a UV gel brush. This looks really nice for poly gel. I'm going to take it out and see how it feels. This feels really soft. It's really nice. I also really like that it's a soft matte finish on the brush. Makes it very smooth to hold. And I really like that it's also a gold cap. And that's very nice. Okay, next here I saw this and I had to check it out. It's another nail stand, which, hold on, let me open it. Okay, so this nail stand, it's super cute, but the magnet is on the back of it, which is kind of unfortunate because then you can't see its cute little face more often. Maybe I'll just hang it next to, so I have some metal parts on my desk and I could just hang it up there so I can look at it because it's just absolutely adorable. But yeah, this is still really nice. It's always nice to have a new nail stand for practice. Okay, here is some stones. They're kind of like large pixie stones in a purplish hue. Very pretty. Purple is another one of my favorite colors. It's purple, blue, pink for anyone that's curious. Those are my favorite colors. But yeah, these are very nice. I think I'll get a lot of use out of them. I tend to use these a lot. Also, if anybody's wondering, the price of this box was $40. I do not believe it is on sale anymore. It was a limited time only, but I figured, I think most of these products are still on the store, so we can still purchase them individually, just not in box form. So this here, oops, I dropped something. So we have a couple of small pearls and caviar beads. Let me grab my tweezers. And we have some black bows that appear to be more matte. Very pretty. What is this? Oh, that's pretty. It's a black and white butterfly. That's so pretty. And then some silver chain, which is always useful. It's a really nice shade. Some caviar beads. Oh, I think there's a rose in here too. So a black and white rose. That's also very pretty. That's great. Absolutely. We'll use these nail charms. Here we have some gold flake. Very pretty. I'm not going to open it just because it's such a mess. As you can already see, there's some on my hands and I didn't even open it. But yeah, very pretty. Always useful. This next product I'm actually very excited about. I've wanted to get some of these silicone molds or silicone molds for a long time now. This is a bunch of different roses. I know it's clear, so it might be a little hard to see. But yeah, a bunch of different types of flowers. Very cute. They have some small ones, some larger ones. I'll absolutely use this a bunch. This is some pink glitter, which is also extremely messy, but still very cute. I think I opened it upside down. Oops. But it seems to be hearts and hexagons and stars, all very cute. I'm not gonna have it open for too long just because I don't want to make too much of a mess. I'm gonna actually dust off my hands real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, I've got some of the glitter off. Hopefully most of it, but we'll see. Oh, this is great. So these are little gem studs. Let me open this. So these are like studs on a chain. So they have the crystal and then the gold bracket that's holding them in. These, I'm so happy to have these. I don't have any of these, and I find these add a little something extra to designs, especially like when you're doing a bunch of stonework. Very, very pretty. So here we have some nail brush cleaner. I am happy to have this. This is always a necessity whenever you're doing nails. You'll find that you end up ruining a lot of brushes. So I'm very happy to have this. Okay, I did find one more glitter in here. This is a very large container of glitter. And it's really, really pretty. It looks like some hollow, so there's small micro hollow glitters. There you go, you can see that. And then there's also some stars, some, let's find out actually. Let me take a look. Are these leaves? Okay, yeah, so these are like holographic maple leaves, and some of them have a purple hue. That's really pretty. It'll be fun to do a design with. This box actually came with a lot of charms. I'm really impressed. I love charms, love receiving charms, love buying charms, etc. So here we have some pearl bows. They're pretty large, I would say. So they'd have to be, for me, they'd have to be a specific set, but they are very cute. These I cannot see. I believe they're snowflakes. So hold on, let me get this out. Yes, okay, so these are just large snowflake charms. They'd be good for your thumb. Then you have some boat or leaf shape rainbow charms. You have dark blue, light blue, looks like peach, pink, purple, yellow, green, black, all sorts of colors. Very nice, absolutely useful. These look like glow-in-the-dark stars. They don't say that they're glow-in-the-dark. I'll have to test that later and I'll let you know. And you have some gold chain here, always useful. And then here are some silver stud charms. I know that a romantic goth look is really trending right now, especially for fall looks. So this will be a perfect perfect charms for a nail set like that. Then we also have some stickers. We have some red and black sad Hello Kitty. Oh, poor Hello Kitty. And then we also have normal Hello Kitty. There's also some clear white ones down here. All very cute. These are some nice black and white flower designs. Very pretty. This is just an informational card, it looks like. Okay, last thing in the box. Let me move this aside. Okay, this is the last item in the box. Let me open it real quick. Okay, so these are the gel polishes you get with this box. It looks like you get a Moonlight Gel. One moment, please. Okay, so here is a gel. Okay, so here is a gel. I received this actually in these. Okay, so this first gel is number 107 Intention, and we actually got this in the Vettsy seasonal summer box if you received that. So this might be a duplicate for you. Personally, I do have it already, and I'm not upset about having another, just because I found the color so beautiful and I think it's very versatile. So I do think I will be able to use up both of these just in the style of nails that I like to do. So let me go ahead and swatch this real quick. So here is what the gel looks like after curing. As you can see, it's just a very, very light purple with gold shimmer. It's very, very pretty. I think it's very versatile because it is so light. And then that gold shimmer is, of course, I mean, everybody loves gold, am I right? All right, anyway, moving on. The next shade we have is number 35, Astral. It's another solid gel. I have a feeling this is going to be another jelly type of polish. So let me open this real quick and I'll swatch it for you. Okay, so I got it open, and first impressions, I don't know if you can tell, it might be a little too dark, might not. There's reflective glitters in there. They're so pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna swatch this and cure it, and then I'll be back. Here is the cured polish. It is so pretty. Hold on, let me bring it close. See if that helps at all. You can see the gold glitter in it, and it's just a very light pink glaze. So pretty. I think it would be really, really nice with 2 coats. I'm just doing 1 coat just so you guys can get a vibe for the color. But I, of course, always want to try and conserve where I can. And try and be as conscious as possible not to waste anything. All right, moving on to our last solid gel. This is the Moonlight Gel-ML04. Okay, right off the bat, I can see it's a highly reflective, very pretty blue glitter, and it looks like it's on a light blue base. So let me go ahead and swatch this and I'll show you the result. Okay, so after 1 coat, you can see it's a very, very pretty blue glitter. And I actually think, so when I was swatching it, I don't know if you could really tell on camera, but I do think, sorry, there's some water on my hands, but I do think it's a white base with the blue glitter, and it's just really, really pretty. I'm very much enjoying this color. It's very pretty to look at. I actually think this would go really well with some unicorn chrome on top. I think that would look really nice. You could do definitely a lot of different nail art designs with this. So the next color I'll be swatching here is Enchanted, and it's just a regular gel polish in this red shade. I really don't know what to call this red shade. It's a little bit like a brick red, it's a little bit like a maroon, but it's kind of in between both. I don't really know how well you guys can see that color. Yeah, anyway, let me swatch this and let's see how we feel. So after swatching it, I definitely want to say it leans more towards a brick red with an orange base. There is no glitter in it. This polish does not have glitter, but if you're looking and you see some glitters, that's my own mistake. The brush that I used, I forgot to completely get rid of the glitters before I swatched it, so I do apologize. But it does look really pretty with some gold glitters. But yeah, I don't know, this is a very unique color to me. I do not see this type of color often. Very pretty. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of this type of shade. Do you like this shade? I don't know. I don't know how to feel. I do think it is pretty, but I don't know if I would wear it. It might be a little too warm for my skin tone. As you can see, I'm quite pink, so it doesn't really vibe very well with my skin. Anyway, we have 1 more polish to swatch, so let me get right to that. So for this last polish, it's actually a cat eye polish, and Vettsy sent us some little swatches to put on the front of the polish bottle. That way you know what you're looking at. You can also put it on top, which I may do as well. Actually, I will do that, because why not, right? That way I know what I'm looking at. All right, and it's called Unicorn Cat Eye-UC04. So I haven't magnetized it yet or anything, but first thing I'm noticing, it's very pretty, very silvery, and it looks like it has a blue ship. I'm wondering what it'll look like. Oh. Okay, that's very pretty. I don't know what type of base it is. It might just be a clear base, and it looks like the glitters in it are either a champagne gold or silver. It's kind of hard to tell because here you can kind of see it looks more yellowish, but then over here it looks silver. It could be both. It could be silver and gold glitters. And then it also has a blue chrome type of sheen. This is really, really pretty, very unique. I'm really enjoying looking at it again. Of course, I'm going to cure this and then I will be back. All right, so I just put the swatches on really quick. I think this might be one of my favorite polishes from now on. I'm really excited to use this in a set. I do want to, I'm not sure how long this video is, so I may end it here. If not, I mean, you'll obviously know by the length. So this is everything that I received in the nail haul. All in all, I think this was a very nice box. It cost $39.99 for anyone who is wondering. I'm not sure this is still available because it was the 4th anniversary box. I know it was limited edition. Hopefully you guys can still get it. But if not, I would say that it's likely that you're able to purchase every item individually that I received here. So make sure you definitely check out Vettsy, check out their shop. You know, if you're interested in anything, I'm sure they'll probably have it for sale. So yeah, I definitely recommend it. I have tried their polishes in the past. I do really like their polishes. I think they're good quality. I will say that shipping can take anywhere from 1 to 3 weeks, so just be prepared for a little bit of a wait, but totally recommend these products. I'm very happy with my purchase, and I'm sure I'll be purchasing again from Vettsy. Anyway, this will conclude my nail haul, and I hope you guys enjoyed and found it entertaining, if not pretty to look at, and I hope to catch you guys in the next video. I'm thinking I'll be doing a romantic goth style manicure, so stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys soon. Thank you. Bye.